Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in a gray exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have minor damage on the Carfax with 3 previous owners. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the gray grille. You will also notice the black accents with running fog lights as well as the red towing hooks. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. One thing I do want to point out on the exterior is you will have heated mirrors. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black leather, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 19 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, both the front and rear pads will be 14 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black leather interior will stay the same. Not to mention on the back of the center console, you will have your powered windows for the back, as well as 2 cup holders. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and open up the trunk to show you guys the trunk size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, will come equipped with power locks and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 70,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your sway bar as well as your axle lock options. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your headlight and fog light options, as well as your dash brightness, your turn signals, and your bright lights. The right knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your talking options as well as your dashboard options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will have your powered windows as well as your climate control options. You will have your heated seats as well as your traction control. You will have your powered mirrors as well as a 12-volt plug-in. You will have your 4-wheel drive options here. You will also have your gear shifter, your park and brake, 2 cup holders, and a large center console. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 3.6L V6F DOHC 24V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you'll have a couple of stone chips. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have several chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will have a couple scratches. You will have a scratch here on the back bumper. You will have several chips here on the rear driver's side fender. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple chips. Here on the front driver's side door, you will also have a couple chips. These are all pre-owned vehicles here at All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in a gray exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button and stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollsburg, PA.